One day, Little Panda looked at the sweet dumplings. "Yum!" he said. He quickly scooped one up and put it into his mouth. Ow! Hot, hot! The sweet dumpling stuck to his mouth. Too, patoo! He could not spit it out. Little Panda jumped up and down. Bunny came in. "Oh, dear," she said. She gently helped him take it off. Little Panda touched his mouth. "Next time, I will wait." He scooped up another sweet dumpling. He blew on it gently. "Let it cool first." Ah, much better. Did you eat sweet dumplings today? Like and follow.